Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to Having Fun Making Jewelry, hosted by Deb Hoax Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. This month, our prompt was green, or I think the prompt was shamrock or St. Patrick's Day, one of the two. So I did comply with the green. I used this right here. It's a tube of beads that I got from, it's called Bubblegum Bead Mix. I love it. I got it on clearance from Hobby Lobby. And I really liked this because it has the stripes in it. That's why I got it. And then it had these also. I'm partial to green and blues, so yeah. And then I dug in this bag, just miraculously showed up. This was a pair of earrings that looked like this, and I got from Walmart clearance. I'm not sure when, and I took it apart. So let's see what I made. The first thing I made was a pair of earrings because this silver was just calling my name. It was like, Brandy, you really want to make something using silver? And I was like, yes, I do. I do. So I made that. And then from there, I got inspiration to make a bracelet. I was like, yeah, let's go with this bracelet thing. So it is on some stretchy cord. I doubled up the stretch cord. And I think I may do a video on how I make this one or something similar to this. I'm not sure yet. But it fits my wrist really well. And I want it to be where you can fit the wrist and you don't see the card pulling. So that's why I made it like that. And then from there, I was like, I need some more. I want to make more and more and more and more. And I made these earrings to go with it. So you see this little rock color right here. They match up very well. It's from the same little bead thing. So yeah, so I made those. And then from there, I used the shamrock. I was like, I want to do a shamrock. I want to do something St. Patrick's Day. And I took this because, I'm partial to silver. And this little green was like, hey, I look like I'm silver, right? And so I was like, oh, this could be a good pair of earrings to go with it. But I was like, nah, why do that? Why not just make another pair of earrings and use this and this little silver thing? So that's what I did. So I made this pair of earrings, and then I made this little bracelet and earring set, which I really love. I'm not sure if I want to sell these or keep them for myself. I like this, and I'm not big into St. Patrick's Day, but I love these earrings. They're so pretty, but other people are. A lot of people are into the holidays. Every holiday they wear something cutesy, and that would be cute just to wear out because I love it so much. So I have to decide if I'm going to keep it or not. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, your continued support to me and the channel. Thank you for letting it grow and helping it grow. Please check out all the other participants. They will be in the description box below. Until next time, happy crafting.